Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share an impressive, fluent and easy to deliver vote of thanks speech for Independence Day school celebrations. If you are looking for the speech, this video is just for you. So let's start it. Respected Chief Guest, Honorable Principal, esteemed teachers, distinguished parents, dear guests and my dear friends. A very warm good morning to everyone. As we come to the close of this memorable Independence Day celebration, it is my privilege and honor to deliver the vote of thanks speech. Today we didn't just celebrate a date in history. We celebrated the spirit of freedom, the courage of our brave freedom fighters, and the pride of being Indians. Their sacrifices remind us that freedom is priceless, and it is our responsibility to preserve it with honesty, unity, and dedication. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest for gracing this occasion with your esteemed presence. Your inspiring words have filled our hearts with patriotism and motivated us to become responsible citizens of our great nation. I sincerely thank our Honorable Principal for the constant encouragement, visionary leadership, and unwavering support that made this wonderful celebration possible. A special note of appreciation goes to our dedicated teachers, whose tireless efforts, careful planning, and guidance transformed today's event into a grand success. Your commitment to nurturing not only knowledge but also values of patriotism is truly commendable. My heartfelt congratulations to all the students who participated in the speeches, songs, dances, poems, and cultural performances. Your confidence, enthusiasm, and love for our country made this celebration vibrant and unforgettable. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to our parents, support staff, volunteers, and everyone working behind the scenes. Your invaluable contribution ensured that every moment of today's program was well organized and successful. As we leave this gathering, let us remember that true patriotism is not expressed only on Independence Day. It is reflected in our everyday actions, our respect for others, our honesty, our hard work, and our commitment to making India stronger and brighter. Let us all pledge to uphold the values of our Constitution and contribute towards building a peaceful, united, and developed India. With these words, I once again extend my heartfelt thanks to each one of you for making this Independence Day celebration truly memorable. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Friends, this speech is suitable for school assemblies, stage programs, and competitions. Hey friends, if this video is useful for you, then please do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.